Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Vetri Otto, and on this channel I share videos on food and business. Kindly subscribe, hit the notification button so that when I post new videos, you will be informed. Today's video will be unboxing the latest addition to my kitchen. Drum rolls. You will agree with me that for every chef or someone who loves to cook, there are some important things, and they include our recipes, utensils, and the kitchen space. Okay, of course, other things like the video quality and all that. And today I'll be unboxing this right here. It's actually 6 a.m. right now, and my children are not going to school, so I decided to do this unboxing before they wake up because I have about 4 to 5 recipes to film today, and this one requires me showing my full face. So to do this right now, I hope you're excited for me. So this is an SMP port. It's a 7-piece port, and it doesn't really mean that it's 7 pots that are in there. When they write 7 pieces, it simply means both the pots and the covers. So here it has a skillet, a frying pan. I'll be showing you a closer view. Then there are 3 pots with their covers. Okay. So this is it, and it's an SMP port, 7 pieces. So it has 22 cm, 24 cm, 26 cm casserole, that's the main pots, and then a 26 cm fry pan. So let's unbox it together. And this is the skillet. Oh, this is so beautiful. I love the fact that spots on it, not just like plain blue. So that's why I chose this one, and it looks so beautiful. So you're going to be seeing a lot of these pots and skillets. Okay, then pot. The smallest size, and actually looks big. So this, they already assembled the pot covers for me in the market. They already screwed all this. So this is the cover, and this is what it looks like. The next one. So I can remember as a child, I love to do this a whole lot. So let's unbox it together. So we have this. Oh, so nice. So for those wondering how much this is, for retail price cost 40k this set, and it's not so bad. Then if you're going for wholesale deals, like if you're buying it in bulk, it's also, if you're buying it in bulk, they will sell it at a cheaper price. So this is the second one. Then this is the cover. So if you actually want this pot, let me know, because I collaborated with one of the wholesale dealers. Okay, so this is it for the second one. I love it. So this is the don't know if you can see it. This is the biggest size. And it's quite big. Quite big. So now I have a new pot. New set of pots. In the future, I intend to get more colors and different kinds of pots too. So this is it. This is it. This is it. I hope you love it. I love it. I love it. So let's pop this. Yeah, so we are popping. So then this last cover is for this, and see how big it looks. So this is what it actually looks. Another thing I love about this pot is that this can cover the skillet, the frying pan. I love it. I hope you love it too. So this is the new part addition. I love it, love it. That's it. That is it. I love it. I hope you love it too. Let me know your thoughts on this in the comment section. Let me know your thoughts on this in the comment section. That's it. That is it. I love it. I hope you love it too. Let me know your thoughts on this in the comment section. Let me know your thoughts on this in the comment section.